Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Ferdinand Marcos Jr.
Hingin ko lang ang ating kasama si Public Works, Department of Public Works, Highway Secretary Vince Dizon, ang ating kaibigan, the Provincial Governor of Cagayan, Provincial Governor Egay Aglipay, the Camaliniugan Municipal Mayor Isidro Cabado. I remember that we were together here nung in-inspection natin. Apari Municipal Mayor Dominador Dayag. All the other chief executives that are here present, fellow workers in government, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, na imbag nga bigat yu amin apo. Matagal na ngayon, ito magandang araw, kahit na umuulan, magandang araw pa rin ito. Dahil nabuksan na natin itong napakaganda na tulay. I think this will serve as a model for many of the other bridge projects that we will be seeing around the country. At nakakatuwa dahil napakalaking bagay ang paglagay ng ganitong klaseng tulay. Dahil, as all of you here are well aware, it cuts the travel time. Imbis na umiikot na napakalayo para tumawid, ay nandito na yung ating Camaliniugan Bridge. So I congratulate the Public Works for their very good work here and to see that everything was completed on time and on budget, and despite all of the other issues that we are having to deal with, patuloy pa rin ang kanilang naging trabaho. At kaya naman, nakarating na ang araw na ito na binuksan natin ang Camaliniugan Bridge. And as I said, pag nakita ito lang Gob Egay. Kapag nakita ng lahat ng ibang gobernador ito, sasabihin, bakit kami wala kaming ganyan? Yung kapitbahay mo sa Isabela nagtatampo na dahil bakit lahat daw yung tulay mo mabilis na tapos. Sabi ko, masikasik si Gob Egay, kaya't nagkaganyan. But it is a very, very fine day, and I'm very happy that